Guys, I will admit the conditions today are not very good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paddle all the way over there to the other boat ramp so I can be to the left of it and be out of the wind. And then I should be able to fish. But actually, I think the waves are bigger than they, or smaller than they looked actually, because maybe not, I don't know. But we're gonna catch some fish hopefully. Usually on days where the wind switches direction like it did today, the fishing is pretty good. But the wind is supposed to die down later today, so we will see. So let's get into some fish. Guys, now that was a paddle. We paddled from over there to over here where I'm gonna fish. It's a lot nicer over here, and I hope the wind will die down though. But hopefully we catch some bass today. Guys, the wacky rig was not working at all for some reason. So now we are offshore dragging a swim bait. I think the swim bait should be swimming just above the bottom. Hopefully we catch some fish now. I've been fishing for like at least like 2 hours and not a single bite. There we go, guys. That is a nice fish. Feels like a good one, guys. Maybe not. It's a decent one. It's the biggest one I've ever caught trolling. That's for sure. Oh, come on over here. Oh, it's bigger than I thought. There we go, guys. That is a nice bass. Right at the end, too. Oh my gosh. Guys, I was expecting to get skunked, honestly. Because the fishing has not been too good today. Yes! Let's go over to the bank so we can get a good picture of him. Alright folks, I'm going to put you on the pole holder so you can see this fish now. Alright guys, as you can see, this is at least like a 4-pounder. That is actually a really big fish. Okay guys, as you can see, he took that swim bait, got him good right in the corner of the mouth. That's right where you want to get him. Because right there it's gummy so the hook won't slide back out. You never like tear a hole that like lets it slide back out. Alright guys, hook is out. I'm gonna get this released now. There we go, guys. Well guys, the fishing was pretty tough today. I only caught that one bass, but luckily it was a pretty nice one. That's the biggest bass I've ever caught while trolling, and especially while trolling out of the kayak, which was really cool. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.